The Randarray function generates an array of random numbers. The size of the array is specified by rows and column arguments, and generated values can be either decimals or whole numbers. So let us look at the fields to be entered, and the fields are basically how we decide the random array we want returned. Rows is the number of rows of data we want returned. Columns is obviously the number of columns we want returned. Min represents the minimum value of our random array of numbers. Max is the maximum array of values. And the integer parameter specifies whether we want decimals or not. So if I want to generate a quick table of data, of random data, I can use the random formula. Let's say I want to open up a random array formula, this one here, and I want 10 rows of data, and I want 10 columns of data. I want my random numbers returned to be between 1 and 100, so my min value is 1, my max value is 100, and my decimal, and I don't want a decimal, I only want whole numbers, so I'm just going to select true here for an integer. And that will generate this random table of data here. And like all the other dynamic array formulas here, it starts off with the formula in A10 and spills out into the surrounding cells. But a handy formula if you want to generate dummy data or random data very quickly.